Hey, it's Steve, the Garage Shop Idiot, and I want to throw one more short video in here after the power tool conversation we had earlier. You're going to need a few other things, and maybe you can do that while you're out shopping for your power tools, but you know, that takes a lot of brain power, and you may not want to think about these things while you're doing that. So once you get your power tools home, uncrated, put up on your bench, read the manuals, really pay attention to the safety. Got a mosquito out of here. The safety instructions and all that, because you want to be safe foremost and for all. What you're really going to need are clamps, because you're going to be doing a lot of gluing. Most of these toys require a lot of glue to glue, you know, everything together basically. You'll need a lot of glue, and clamps will help you secure those joints while it's drying. This glue dries pretty quick. Man, I've let it set up, you know, 20-30 minutes and was able to take the clamp off and continue working on the toy or the project. So, you know, of course the big box stores carry these. They're just small clamps. They're like $4.50, which I think is a really good buy. Now, I have 4 of these. I've never needed more than 4 up to this point. I've got 2 different kinds. These 2 came from Lowe's, and these 2 came from Home Depot, and they've suited me well. You need a square. You know, I had these from my dad. My dad's tools and stuff when he died a few years ago, so I inherited. You need a good square. One of these or one of these types of squares, you know, to mark your cuts. Get you a good mechanical pencil. I mean, don't rely on the lumber pencils, the big square ones, because you got to really, you know, make some fine marks. And you know, get you a mechanical pencil like this. You can get these at Office Depot or whatever. This is a 0.5 millimeter Pentel that I use a lot. And of course, you know, just typical things you probably already have laying around the house, like, you know, razor, knives, small screwdrivers. You are going to need some measuring tools. I have this tri-square that I had because I'm retired IBMer and I did a lot of engineering work. So I have this, which I use a lot. And I also bought at the big box stores have these metal stainless steel measuring tools, which I use a lot as well. So pick you up one of those. They're kind of expensive, man. This is like $10 for this little 6-inch ruler right here, but I mean, you're gonna need it and you'll use it a lot, so pick that up. You need glue. There's your glue. All the stores have them. Just get the basic tight bond, professional, original wood glue. Bam, there you go. And that'll get you set up to start. You know, when you start a project, you don't want to have to get to a point and stop, because if you set aside 4-6 hours a day to go to do a project, you don't come to a point 2 hours into it and bam, stop, because I don't have a clamp. I don't have you know, something I need to continue on a project. That just kind of screws your momentum and your thought process. If you have to run to the store, then you end up doing other things, and that project just kind of waits for another day. So arm yourself with these. While you're there, go ahead and get you pick up a couple of these. You'll see them. They're not expensive, and at least have you one big clamp around. I mean, this one's, what is this one? This is 7-inch, just in case. This is a just in case clamp. Comes in handy when you, just in case. So, got your power, you got your bench, got your tools, you got your auxiliary tools here, your clamps, glue, knives, squares, screwdrivers and stuff you probably already got, and you should be ready to go. So, next one, I will show you a training project that it was actually the first one I did, and it was set my sights high on it, and it was kind of difficult, trial and error. I ruined a lot of wood, but I got it done. I actually started out building 3, and I will show you that. If you're going to build one, you might as well build 3, because you tool up, get your drill press set, your bandsaw, your patterns. You might as well build multiples, not just one. So I'll show you that, and next video we will start on a project. Okay, till then, see ya.